Sir, one last question.
Yes, sir, please.
Is there any is these industries can sue Microsoft now because there is
They
huge
can
loss, right?
do. Yes, they will do. They will do.
Okay.
Generally, they
It's
have
a
to do.
huge,
They can do. See,
yeah.
I brought your product. I'm using the product. Okay. And you are pushing the updates. Because of one update, okay, I lost this much of business. So between you and me, okay, when I'm purchasing this, maybe there will be a contract until Microsoft says, okay, I will just push the patches. I don't care if something happens. If that is written in the agreement, na, you can't do anything. Am I right? But
Yeah, correct.
okay, but when you are using anyone's product, they also do operational support. Very carefully understand. Okay, I will tell you one thing. Why ServiceNow is the best learning thing, na? I will tell you now. Okay, see, okay, let's say ServiceNow pushes one patch. It also pushes the patches and hotfix. You know that everyone. Yes,
Yes, sir.
ServiceNow pushes okay patches, and every week, every month, it also pushes the patches and updates. Very carefully see this now. This is one of the very important thing that you have to know, right? So every week or every month, it will push the patches, patch 10, patch 9, and all, even live. Okay, we don't even know. It will just push it. If something broken, okay, if something happens, we also affect. Okay, some slowness, some functionality will break, and then we will raise a case, and then they will try to fix it immediately. Okay, so now in service now, what is the best part is, let's say they pushed one patch. Okay, so they pushed one patch, right? I will tell in a way where you can understand. Okay, they pushed one patch. Okay, in this patch, there is one system property. Okay, they pushed one system property value to true. Okay, what is the system property? Polaris view. Just assume like this. You all know this. That's why I'm giving the example to you. Okay, so in our organization, Polaris view is off. That is our standard. What those guys did is they pushed one patch. In that patch, there is a system property where in the system properties now they made it to true and then they pushed the patch. Monday morning, everyone are started seeing Polaris view where they don't even know what is the clue. Every day they used to come here and then they used to type incident. Suddenly this is gone and they started seeing something here. They don't know what to do. So kind of crisis outage only. Correct? Do you all agree? It's a kind of outage.
Yes.
What is outage? What is the meaning of outage? Unexpected interruption is an outage. Okay. So now very carefully see if this is the situation, what is the next step? If this is exactly happened, okay, Polaris view become true, but it's supposed to be false. What we do, ma? If it happened in our organization, what we do? We will
Raise the case on a high portal.
no exact example. Concentrate on exact example. Okay, raise a case to high support so that we will intimate them because of this patch. This has happened. Okay, and we will wait for their another patch to push so that it will fix the issue. That's what your answer. Correct? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Any other examples? Any other answers, please? You are a developer. Why can't you create an update set? Go to the dev instance, create an update set, change the Polaris view from true to false, move that to test, move that to false, move that to production in 2 minutes. You should fix it, na? Why we are rely on ServiceNow here? Understood, ma? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this point? So this particular development I can also do, na? We are doing the development, right? We are designing our own platform how we want it, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But here we are waiting for Microsoft because any Microsoft product, na, we can't do any customization. We just use it. There are few applications like Adobe, Microsoft, and all. They will be like that. They only push. But there are other applications where they will completely expose where we can also do customizations by our own. You understood this difference, no? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So let's say if same Falcon happened, the same thing happened. Okay. So if they suggest something, okay, let's say they suggested something. Where is that, ma? Where is that resolution? Okay, they suggested something. Let's say this capture in an update set. What we do? We wait for 12 hours. Once we know this, immediately we'll create an update set, do these three things, tuck, 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 and then test it very properly in dev and test, then immediately move to production. Why we will wait for service now? You are getting my point, my everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Understanding my everyone? Right. Good? Okay, let's move on.